What is up, YouTube? Gonna be doing a little bit, I guess, a different video today. Not doing anything car related, but we are gonna be doing a quick unboxing here and quick install video of some new parts I got right before Christmas. So that'll be real fun to actually put them on and try them out. But yeah, it's from PNW. Yeah, Pacific Northwest Components, I believe, is the company. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, I've heard really amazing things about the company. I've wanted to try. I mean, this all originated because I needed new grips for the bike. So I did some research and found these guys. And yeah, heard some good things about the company. I think they donate to kids also to get into mountain biking. So yeah, let's unbox the grips first. I got the Loam Grips in extra large, and I believe they call the color Safety Orange. We'll see how they actually look on a bright green bike. So, took a chance, but we'll see. They are very sticky. That's nice. And I can definitely tell. So the extra large, all that is the diameter is a little bit bigger. So, I mean, I have monster hands, so I think that's going to be really nice while you're out riding. I just have the factory specialized ones on the bike now. I'll show you guys that in a second, but yeah, these grips are nice. They do have obviously the locking clamp. I don't know if this is plastic or metal, this ring, but I will say it feels really good quality. And it looks like it's got some blue Loctite for the threads there as well. Nice PNW logo on the back. Looks like it is the same material all the way around. Some companies use a different, harder material on the ends. And obviously the tube for the handlebar. So, nice. Excited to try those out. Let's put those aside for now. Now this is the Range Bar Handlebar. Let's see. Whoa. Come on, baby. There we go. Let's see. That is, here, I'm gonna do this real quick. Gotta love this old camera trying to focus. There we go. So it came in nicely packaged. Man, look at that pattern. If you want to cut it, we'll talk about that in a sec too. But damn, that is nice. And again, Safety Orange. Safety Orange. Hopefully that'll look cool. We'll see, we'll see. Man, that is nice. Here, let me actually put this back down and let me take that out of the box. Oh, let's see. Should we try manual focus? Let's give that a shot. Less noise for you guys. I know when I edit the video I can hear it and it's pretty annoying. Okay. Stickers, nice. Well, one sticker. Protective little paper thing, majigger. Ooh, nice. How do we remove this? Guess I'm doing that. Let's put that there. Okay. Here we go. Ta-da! Figured it out. Yo, those are nice. So that is solid, dude. That is cool. Whoop. Oh, and I totally forgot the specs. It feels so light too. Holy crap. Yeah, it's I do remember it's a 31.8 millimeter clamp. That's what it's on the bike from the factory. I think some of the newer, like especially the carbon handlebars these days, this one's aluminum. It's not carbon, FYI. Even though it kind of looks like it on the end, so it's pretty, I love that texture. 31.8, that's what came with on the bike, so I just left it alone. I didn't want to change the stem out for now. And yeah, aluminum. I believe these are, if I remember correctly, 800 millimeters across. So it is a little bit wider than what's currently on the bike. What I do plan on doing is I'm gonna just install everything and ride it for a while as they are. If it's still kind of weird, or I don't know, I don't like the feel of it. Again, that's what these lines are here for. 5, 10, 15, 20. So again, I'm assuming that's millimeters. I'm assuming that's correct. If you want to cut the bars down, I've seen a lot of people do them. You can literally do it. Actually, let's see if this would even fit. I have a pipe cutter. Let's see. Oh yeah, that'll be perfectly fine. If you're wondering, this one is from Milwaukee. It's a 1 inch. It says 1 inch max. Yeah, it says 1/8 of an inch to an inch with an 1/8, or 3 to 29 millimeters OD outside diameter. I think I picked this up from Home Depot. Again, nothing too. So I don't think it was very expensive. I mean, it's Milwaukee, so maybe it was expensive. Just FYI. But if you want to cut them, you could definitely do it with just some regular not bolt cutters, pipe cutters. If I'm saying that correctly, sorry. But yeah, here's the bar. Love the PNW orange. Again, the grips are amazing. That'll be nice to clamp onto. Oh yeah, that's gonna look badass. The camera's picking all this up. Yeah, sort of. Let's see here. Yeah, really, really solid stuff. Looks, again, well made. And the fact that, you know, you get to support some pretty cool people, a cool company, even better. So, all right, there's the unboxing part of it. I'm gonna put that aside. Let's put it on the bike. All right, so here we are in front of the bike. So yeah, check this out. Look at the difference. Stay, will they stay? Will they stay? Yes, they will. So yeah, you can just see the difference here on how wide these new ones are gonna be. Also, I don't think I have the grips on all the way, so just let's try it maybe without. Better representation, right, of how wide they really are. Shit. So, I mean, there it is. You can kind of see the overhang on each side. So, sorry, I got the bike propped up on some random jack stands. But I don't know. I think the orange is gonna look cool with the green frame. We'll see. Personal preference. I was trying to find, like, I think they used to. I don't know if they still do. I didn't find them on the website. Purple, but hey, orange looks pretty rad too. So let's begin taking this stuff off. This is really, really simple if you've never done this. I think most bikes are pretty much standardized as far as the sizes, but for the middle section here, the stem, it's going to be, let's see if I got it right. Yep, 4 millimeter. So all 4 millimeter. And then for the grips on the sides, at least it is on the Specialized, this is a RockHopper. It's going to be a 3 millimeter for the grips. Let me double check before I lie to you guys. Okay, yep, 3 on the grips. Also 3 for the, mine's got the brake and the gear lever changer thingies all in one. Sorry. So yeah, I'm going to take that off too. So let me loosen everything up. I'm just going to let the factory stuff just kind of dangle for now. So give me a sec while I do that here. Well, there it is. Again, kind of mess with the settings of how you want your, I feel like everyone's rides a little bit differently of where you want your handlebars and everything. But for me, I do like about a finger's width between the actual grip and the controls here. I don't want them too in my way, if that makes sense, when I'm riding. So it's kind of my sweet spot there. And yeah, just with these guys, I think they're 5 foot-pounds. So don't over torque them, especially if you're installing a carbon bar. I feel like I've heard that those are easier to crack or damage if you over tighten everything. So just be careful there. I just learned a star pattern, you know, just to make sure it gets, the theory there is even clamp load, if I'm not mistaken. So again, 4 millimeter And then the 3mm for your components here, as well as the grips. But yeah, that looks pretty cool. I like it. Yeah, I mean, what do you guys think of the frame with it? It's interesting, right? We'll see. We'll see. I might keep it. I might change it. But for now, loving the new look. I'm going to go for a bike ride right here in a little bit. It's been raining here in Arizona, which is crazy rare, but we'll take it. But yeah, that was a just quick install video. Pretty excited to, again, go ride these new handlebars. Like I said, I might trim them. They are, here's the factory one, just again for reference. So yeah, quite the difference, but we'll see. We'll see if I like them. If I don't like them, again, we could trim them, so that's not a big deal. But I did not want to trim them before I actually go take a ride in with them. Just, again, I might like it better, who knows. So there you have it. Quick install video. Super, super grippy grips. And again, the XL for my gigantic hands, I think is going to be a nice change of pace. And again, super, super awesome quality stuff so far. But yeah, we'll put some miles on them and hopefully report back. Or, you know, no news is good news, so we'll maybe leave it at that. So yeah, looking pretty sweet. Can't wait to go for a ride. Catch you guys on the next one.